In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to a message on Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just want to master its features, reacting to messages is a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your communication experience. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Slack website. Once there, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a sign-in button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now you're prompted with options on how you can sign in. We'll be using the Google sign-in method for today's demonstration because it's often the most straightforward option for many users. Click on Google to begin this process. At this point, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure that you're using the account associated with your Slack workspace. This will allow you direct access and ensure that you're able to seamlessly move from one step to the next without any interruptions. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the Slack interface. What we're going to focus on now is accessing your direct messages. In Slack, these are commonly referred to as DMs. Navigate through the app to reach your DM section. This is usually located on the left panel of your Slack workspace, and clicking here will open up your recent or ongoing conversations. With your DM open, we now move to the core task, reacting to a message. Find the specific message you'd like to interact with and focus on it. As you hover over this message, some additional icons will appear. You're looking for the React button, which is often represented by a small emoji icon. Clicking on this icon will bring up an emoji picker. The emoji picker offers a variety of choices. Take your time to select the emoji that best represents your intended reaction to the message. Emojis are a fun and concise way to acknowledge a message, show agreement, or express emotions without a lengthy response. Pick the one you feel best suits the context of the conversation and click on it to react. And that's it. You've successfully reacted to a message on Slack. This seemingly small action can foster better communication and create more engaging conversations in your workspace. Remember, while it might seem like a minor feature, using reactions can significantly enhance team interaction by providing non-verbal feedback quickly and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in reacting to messages on Slack. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to assist. Until next time, happy Slacking.